Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you detailed and honest product insights to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a look at the Waring Commercial MX1100XTX blender. Now, when you hear commercial-grade blender, you probably think of heavy-duty performance and durability, and this product promises to deliver just that. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around to find out. The Waring Commercial MX1100XTX is built for those who need power, precision, and ease of use all in one appliance. It's equipped with a 3.5 peak HP motor, designed to handle even the toughest blending tasks. This isn't your average kitchen blender. It's engineered to take on high-demand environments like smoothie bars, cafes, and professional kitchens. Whether you're making large batches of smoothies, soups, or sauces, this blender has the muscle to get the job done. But that power isn't just about strength, it's also about efficiency. The 64-ounce container is made from BPA-free copolyester, which adds to its durability while still being lightweight and easy to clean. One of the standout features of the Waring MX1100XTX is its electronic membrane keypad. This feature makes it incredibly easy to control the blender. With just a few simple touches, you can select the desired speed, activate the pulse function, or set the 30-second countdown timer. No more fumbling with complex dials or switches. This keypad provides a smooth, intuitive experience. Plus, for those who need to reduce noise levels in a busy environment, the optional sound enclosure helps keep the noise down during operation, making this blender a bit quieter than traditional models. When it comes to real-world testing, the Waring MX1100XTX really impresses with its power. I put it to the test by blending a variety of ingredients, everything from frozen fruits to tough leafy greens, and I was surprised at how quickly it handled each task. The 3.5 peak HP motor is no joke, and it had no trouble breaking down ingredients to a smooth consistency, even with harder items like ice and frozen berries. The pulse function worked flawlessly for extra control over the blending process, and the 30-second countdown timer was a great addition, ensuring everything was blended just right without having to keep an eye on the clock. In terms of ease of use, the electronic keypad made setup and operation a breeze. The buttons are responsive, and the layout is intuitive. I never felt lost trying to figure out what setting to use. Cleanup was another area where this blender really shone. The 64-ounce container is not only easy to clean, but it's also stackable, which makes it convenient for storage. For such a powerful machine, it was surprisingly easy to manage in terms of maintenance. But of course, no product is perfect. The Waring MX1100XTX is a commercial-grade blender, which means it comes with a price tag that might not be suitable for casual home use. If you're only making small batches of smoothies or occasional soups, this might feel like overkill. The sound enclosure, though useful, is an additional accessory you have to buy separately. While the blender's power and performance are unmatched, its large size can be a bit cumbersome for those with limited counter space. Additionally, the motor can get a little loud, even with the sound enclosure, so if you're looking for something quieter, this might not be the best choice for your kitchen. Now, let's talk about the value for money. At its price point, the Waring MX1100XTX is certainly an investment. If you're running a high-traffic business or need a blender that can handle frequent, heavy-duty use, it's tough to beat the power and reliability this blender offers. Compared to other commercial blenders on the market, like the Vitamix 5200 or Blendtec Total Blender, the Waring model comes in at a competitive price, especially considering the 3.5 peak HP motor and electronic keypad. However, for home users or those with lighter blending needs, this blender might be more machine than necessary. In that case, you could explore more budget-friendly options, like the Ninja Professional or even the Blendtec Designer series. When it comes to build quality, the Waring MX1100XTX doesn't disappoint. The sturdy construction of the motor and the copolyester container reflects the commercial-grade nature of this blender. It feels robust and reliable, and if properly maintained, this blender should have a long lifespan. Given Waring's reputation for manufacturing durable commercial appliances, it's safe to say this blender is built to last. However, because this is a professional-grade product, the size and weight may be an issue for some, especially those with smaller kitchens or who need to move it around frequently. As for customer support, Waring has a solid reputation in the commercial appliance world, and while I didn't need to interact with customer service directly, many users have reported positive experiences with the brand. They provide helpful support when needed, and parts replacement, when necessary, is fairly easy to access through authorized dealers. Now, in terms of updates, this particular blender doesn't rely on software or firmware updates. It's a straightforward, mechanically operated machine, so there's no need to worry about ongoing updates or compatibility issues. To wrap it up, the Waring Commercial MX1100XTX blender is a powerhouse designed for serious use. Its heavy-duty motor and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for commercial environments, but it might be overkill for home use. If you're looking for something that can handle constant high-volume blending, it's hard to beat this model. However, if you're just after a simple, affordable blender for light use, there are plenty of alternatives that might better suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product reviews. If you've got any questions or thoughts about this blender, or if you already own one, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. The link to get the Waring MX1100XTX is in the comments box. Until next time, keep blending your way to greatness, only on Reviewsinside TV.